Okay, today we're talking about how to replace a broken spoke on your Verum wheel. I get this question all the time because, well, how do we get a spoke nipple in there if there's no access hole? Your Verum kit includes all the tools we need to do a spoke replacement. It'll include a couple extra spokes as well, so should make this fairly simple. So now in this case, we have a spoke that broke mid-span, so this makes it extra easy to do this repair. We'll just slide our rubber grommet on to hold the nipple in place. So in this case, we don't have to replace the nipple. You'll need a spoke wrench. That's not included in your kit. I just like to put a little bend in the spoke so I can get some leverage on it as I unthread the spoke nipple. Then just get that guy off. Right. Keep that guy in place. Anyway, once we get the spoke out, that grommet will just help stop the nipple from falling into the rim while we get our new spoke in place. Should be able to just unthread that now. And there we go. And you can see we've got our nipple held there. We'll grab a spoke. Simply thread our new spoke in. Of course, you'll need to remove your cassette and your rotor to get this done. But the kit came with a spoke, so you've already got a spoke. They're labeled drive side, non-drive side, front and rear. Interlace that guy. And then just kind of use the flexibility of that bladed spoke to start our nipple. All right. Bingo. Once that threads are started, then you can just put this in a wheel jig and retension your spoke until the wheel's true, and then you're good to go. There's a different problem that can happen if the spoke were to break close to the nipple or at the nipple. And we'll just do this to demonstrate. Then maybe that spoke nipple has fallen into the rim, right? And that's a little bit of a different problem. And now we're going to have to use our magnet and our threaded steel to both get that nipple out and get our new spoke nipple in place. So the spoke nipple can only come out where the valve stem hole is. Right. Fortunately, our magnet fits pretty nicely near the valve stem hole, so we should be able to get it out pretty easily. And then we'll just thread our plain steel tool into a new nipple, drop it in the valve stem hole. We use our magnet to pull that nipple to the hole that we want it to come out of. This is actually the tool we use to lace the wheels. And we'll need a rubber grommet to fit on there. Pull that grommet onto the nipple, remove our steel tool, and then just like we did before, we'll, oh, I cut that one. So anyway, but you would just thread your spoke on as we did before, and then you're ready to put it in a jig and true it up. And that's how you replace a broken spoke on a Verum wheel.
Tubeless tape sucks.